Hello Co-Creative, today's video is a reply to a kind viewer's comment on this video. So here's a clear and digital version to help you better understand how to draw male and female fashion croquis and how they are different. These two vertical lines are the center lines for both the female and male bodies. Next, these two horizontal lines show the height of the heads. Now draw one circle for each, and each circle should be about 3/4 the height of the head. For the jaw, draw a triangle for the female and a trapezoid-like shape for the male. Alright, so here we are gonna learn about 9-head fashion croquis. It means the height of the whole body is based on the size of the head. Basically, the body is as tall as 9 heads stacked on top of each other. That's why we are dividing the body into 9 equal parts, each the same length as the head. The line between 1 and 2 is the shoulder line, and the shoulder width should be about 3/4 of the head length on each side of the center line. It means if we place the head sideways along the shoulder line, 3/4 of the head would be this. Now mark the shoulder points. Next, this line 2 is the bust line. Line 3 is the waist line. For female, it is about half the shoulder width on each side, and for male, it's a little wider, about 3/4 of the shoulder width on each side. Line 4 is the hip line. For female, it is about the same width as the shoulder, and for male, it is about the same as the waist. This next one is crotch line, and for male, it sits just a little lower than the female. Line 6 is knee, and line 8 is ankle line. From 8 to 9 is for feet. Now draw two straight lines going down for the legs. For the male figure, extend the line slightly below the ankle line, because in fashion drawing we usually show females wearing heels to make them look taller. Then draw the lines for the feet. Now let's move to the arm. Draw lines for the hands. The elbow should line up with line 3. From shoulder to elbow and elbow to wrist should be about equal in length. You can look at your own body in a mirror to understand this better. Now draw shapes for the palm and fingers. The goal here is to show visual differences between male and female bodies. We draw the male body a little wider to show a more muscular shape. Now let's add some joints. Draw small circles at the shoulders, knees and ankles on both bodies. Next, connect the shoulder to the waist with a straight line and then from waist to the hip. For female, draw circle in the middle of the line, and for male, draw rectangle. Now start shaping the body with curves. For female neck, draw neck curving inward like this. Then add collarbone with this shape. Connect the neck to the shoulder using a gentle inward curve. For the male, draw the neck curving slightly outward. Add the collarbone and then connect the neck to the shoulder with an outward curve. Next, draw bust curves. For female, draw them like this, and for male like this. Now connect the shoulder to the waist and then waist to the hip using soft curves. For male, curve like this. Draw the crotch area for female and a little different for male like this. Now join arms with smooth curves. As you can see, male arms are drawn a bit wider than female ones to show muscles, just like I mentioned earlier. Do the same when drawing legs, keeping the muscle shape for male and slimmer curves for female. Let's add some body details now, like these little lines for the elbow, abs, knees, and ankle bones. I hope this video helped to understand the body proportions and the differences between male and female fashion croquis. If it did, try drawing your own croquis using these steps in your own style and share it with me on Insta. I'd love to see all your illustrations. And please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting your thoughts. Thank you.